This is the Ultimaker 3, a professional yet accessible 3D printer with reliable dual extrusion, swappable print cores, and wireless control. Let's see what makes it the most industrial-grade desktop 3D printer available. The Ultimaker 3 is the most reliable dual extrusion printer on the market. Combine two build materials for dual-color 3D prints, or achieve state-of-the-art complexity with build and water-soluble support materials. This allows you to approach your design process in a completely new way and create astoundingly complex designs. Ultimaker 3's unique nozzle lifting system ensures that there's no nozzle collision while printing and no problematic oozing. The powerful geared feeders ensure more reliable results and superior print quality. The Ultimaker 3 features a build plate that's lighter and stiffer, which reduces vibrations and produces an unrivaled print quality. Thanks to the heated glass build plate, you can print using many different materials and with improved build plate adhesion. Ultimaker 3 has a powerful triple fan system. Featuring two new radial fans and fan shrouds, it creates greater pressure buildup for improved airflow. This means better cooling, high-quality bridging, faster print times, and smooth print surfaces. With the live camera, you can monitor every stage of your 3D printing project remotely, simply by connecting to Wi-Fi. The Ultimaker 3 has a large layer resolution range of up to 20 micron, which allows for remarkably detailed prints or super fast prototypes. Printing with PVA and PLA allows complex designs to be printed in place without any post-printing assembly. PVA can also be printed in dual extrusion with Ultimaker nylon, an engineering material that's ideal for exceptionally strong functional prototypes. Using two build materials, you can also create dual color prints for more realistic concept models. The Ultimaker 3 comes with free lifetime technical support and warranty, provided by certified support experts worldwide. When you put it all together, the Ultimaker 3 is the most industrial-grade desktop 3D printer on the market. With the Ultimaker 3, professional 3D printing is made accessible.
Hello, we at Craft Unique are very proud to introduce our newest machine, the Craftbot XL. As you can see, it's much bigger. Why did we build the XL? Because of demand, especially from our most avid users, anywhere from schools to engineers to prototypers to architects. Some people demanded a bigger print volume. The new print volume of the XL is 20 by 30 by 44 centimeters, or roughly 12 by 8 by 17 inches. We have a new set of nozzles that comes with the machine. We have 4 new nozzles, 0.25, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8 millimeters. And with the smallest nozzle, the 0.25, you can actually print 50 microns per layer. Another thing I like to point out with the machine are the new linear rails. In our original Craftbot, we had a rod and bearing system, and for the bigger size, with all of our tests, we found that we had more precision and less noise when we used the rail system. Let's discuss the LCD in the Craftbot XL. It's the same great touchscreen LCD as in our other models. There's 3 new options in the Craftbot XL and all of our models with the firmware, and they're very important. I'd like to discuss those now, and that is the temperature, speed, and stop-start option that you can use in the middle of a print. And that is something very special in the industry, being able to go in the middle of the print and change things like that. And you can find that in all of our new firmwares for all of our printers. I will talk specifically about the print pause and resume function. If there's a case where you want to change the filament, you can just pause it, change the filament, and start right back up. Or if there's an emergency, or if you have an appointment, or whatever the case may be, with the Craftbot you can actually stop the print and start it at a later point in time. if there's a power outage, say all the power goes out and you normally lose your whole print and all the hours of work you put into it. With the Craftbot, the machine actually remembers the exact point where the power outage happened, and you can resume at a later time. You can save a lot of hours by doing this. We have a lot of the same great options that have been available in our award-winning printers in the past. To discuss some of those, the value of the Craftbot XL, there's really nothing in the industry where you're going to find something of this quality in this price range. It has a very easy setup. It has the same plug and play. It has reliability, and it has the durability with the all-steel frame found in all of our Craftbot machines. You have the same removable, heatable build plate, which is something that basically I think you have to have on a 3D printer nowadays. And another new option that we have is a built-in counter, or what we like to call a 3D printer odometer. And what that does is, for all you stat people out there, is it actually keeps a record of how many printing hours you've actually put into your printer. We have the same craftware that we've always had. We update it all the time, and you can download it from our website. And it is a leader in speed and visual splendor in the industry. And if you ever have a problem or any question whatsoever, feel free to contact our customer service, because everybody there is a 3D printing expert and a Craftbot user themselves, and they will get you a quick reply. So that's just about it with our Craftbot XL 3D printer, and I thank you very much for watching.
At Dremel, we see every day as an opportunity to learn something new. Whether you're an engaged parent, a teacher looking to inspire your class, or just a hands-on DIYer, we make the tools that help make it possible. Children too can benefit from these tools, such as the Dremel Idea Builder 3D40. 3D printing technology encourages creativity and problem-solving skills, giving children the confidence to turn the power of their imaginations into reality. The Dremel Idea Builder 3D40 introduces students to 3D printing through hands-on projects and problem-based learning that's both easy and engaging. And convenient features like Wi-Fi printer connectivity and a new app that lets you control the printer from both Android and iOS smartphones make the 3D40 incredibly user-friendly. Furthermore, the included Print Studio software and print-ready models will have you up and building fast. And with its new larger build plate, assisted leveling feature, and compatibility with the Sprout by HP 3D scanner, the 3D40 gives you the power and flexibility to expand a child's creative horizons even further. But the Idea Builder is more than just safe, reliable, and easy to use. It's backed by Dremel, with all of the friendly, world-class customer support you've come to expect. We're happy to talk service, software, parts, troubleshooting, or even share our own Idea Builder experiences with you. Of course, you'll likely find that the best feature of the Idea Builder 3D40 is being able to explore, build, and learn together. Because what you're really building are future innovators. At Dremel, we are committed to developing a family of 3D printing products that allow you to build easier, make more, and dream big. The new Dremel Idea Builder 3D40. Set your imagination free.
I think this is just the beginning of something really revolutionary. Having a Gibabot here, we can introduce products in a matter of weeks versus a matter of months, and work on the next one, and then the next one. My name is Francis Manalak. I am a Gibabot guru here at Doug Marketing Company. Our design and our use for the Gibabot ranges from conceptual ideas, prototyping, final iterations, to manufacturing. Rapid prototyping is basically having a concept and having it come to life right in front of you, ready to see, touch, and feel. Without 3D printing, it basically takes us 2 weeks or 3 weeks to give us a working prototype. With rapid prototyping, especially with the Gibabot, it's here in a matter of hours. A couple of hacks for our Gibabot. We set up a small webcam for remote desktop. Anytime during the day, even at night, everybody could log in and actually view the prints. Having built the Gibabot from kit and operating it, I think it revolutionized the way I thought about 3D printing. The reliability and the quality is just always there. We have aha moments every day. Our future vision is to have multiple 3D printers printing at once and have the part ready for our clients to be processed, finished, and ready to be shipped the same day.
It's very well known what's going on here at Downey High School. We're cutting edge. I mean, we're college level here.
When we first got our new Gigabots, it was kind of a mysterious feeling. I mean, we didn't know really what to expect.
I've been using Gibabot for almost a year and a half now.
I'm here a lot. This is basically my second home.
The kids pick it up and they understand it so well. They run into a problem, it was something they caused, so they've learned how to fix it and solve it.
I just taught myself, looked online. Mr. Jamka, he is another teacher here. I go down and I help him out and he just takes notes.
In our first robotics competition, we have a 6-week build period. We ordered parts in the first week of our competition. However, they were back ordered. So instead of wasting time not doing anything, this is what we 3D printed to fit on our robot. So when our parts came in, during the 4th out of 6 weeks, we were ready to go.
We're not known as the big dollar district. Usually when I take them to competition, they're not looked at as the kids that are going to be very competitive just because of the area we come from. But once we're there and competing and they see what they're up against, every year my kids come back from college to tell me just having access to this type of equipment put them so far ahead of the curve.
One of the disabled students on our campus who have trouble just simply feeding herself and lifting up her arms because of the muscular dystrophy she has on her left arm. We've utilized the force of gravity, mimicking the triceps and the biceps. When she is in resting position, her arm weight would just drop the exoskeleton. And then when she needs to pick up a fork or a spoon to feed herself, because of the bands on this exoskeleton, she's able to feed herself with less amount of effort than she used to do without the exoskeleton.
The most important thing that I see is that tangible object that the kids can get. They can sketch it on paper, they can draw it on the computer, but in the past that's where it ended. Now they can take that thing from paper and get a physical object, and I really think that's where the kids get excited about it and start thinking in their head what the future is with this and what they can do with it.